Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can blur images for your presentations on Google Slides really quickly. So let's get started right away. So as you can see, we're inside on Google Slides and I'm using that photo or image here for the sake of this tutorial. Now guys, right from the get-go, to make one thing clear right from the start, unfortunately there's no blurring option here in the format options, for example, or in the customization tools on Google Slides for photos or images specifically. So you will need to use an external site for that, a photo editor, for example, like Canva. Now, if you don't have an account on Canva, guys, you can also use free photo editors like this one here, for example, befunky.com. All you will need to do is simply download the given image on your device or make a screenshot of it and save the screenshot on your computer, for example, in JPEG or PNG format. Then head over to befunky.com, click on this Get Started button, upload your image or photo here, wait for a short moment, and after that simply adjust the blurring intensity here where it says amount, for example, ranging from 0 to 100%. And after that, simply confirm by clicking on apply here, wait for the blurring effect to be applied, and last but not least, save your blurred image on your computer by clicking on save here, select your download device, for example, computer, and in the final step, head back to your presentation on Google Slides, click on insert here at the top, select image, and upload your blurred image from your computer just like that. So locate it on your device and position it here in your presentation on your slide. And that's it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.